Alright, so Judy's standing on some slippery ice. Her dog jumps out of the car at 3 meters per second and into her arms. She has a mass of 40, Fido's mass of 15. What is their velocity after Judy catches Fido? Now I cannot duplicate that picture, so I'm just going to draw on this picture. What is Judy's initial velocity?
0.
0. So VJ initial is 0, right?
Isn't Fido like a physics thing? I forgot what it stands for.
No, I don't know. What's mass of Judy?
Is that Spanish?
40, guys.
Oh, no, we learned it in driver's training.
Caleb. Thank you. What's the mass of Fido? 15. Right? What's the velocity of Fido? 3 meters per second. Now, are we calling that 3 meters per second positive or negative?
Negative.
You want to call it negative?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. So that means that way is positive, right? So it's a negative 3. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah, any questions? Okay. Now, after Fido jumps into Judy's arms, what's the mass?
Combined. Because they're together.
Combine them, right?
Yeah.
So it's 40 plus 15, which equals 55. Okay. So the combined mass after is 55 kilograms, right?
Why do we have to do that?
And we want to find the velocity. Okay? Kyle, you do not have to do that. But I find it easier if you do. So you could approach it this way. You could do mass of Judy, velocity of Judy initial, plus mass of Fido, velocity of Fido initial, equals, I did say, okay, equals mass of Judy, velocity final, plus mass of Fido, velocity final. You could do it that way. Right? But then you have 4 terms to take care of. Or I could just say Judy and Fido have the same mass at the end, and just do mass times velocity at the end. Either way works. Thank you, Mr. Foster. So we can plug in what we know. So 40 times 0 plus 15 times negative 3 equals 55V. Right? Imani, pay attention. 15 times negative 3 is negative 45. 40 times 0 is 0. So we have negative 45 equals 55V. What do we do now? Divide by 55.
Yeah, I did it right.
So negative 45 divided by 55, what does that equal?
Negative 0.2.
What is it?
0.2.
Negative 0.82 meters per second equals V. Now some of you are probably saying, whoa, this happens all the time. My dog jumps in my arms, I don't move. That's because your feet apply a force keeping you still. That's why it's important that Judy's on the ice, because the ice is slippery. So when the dog jumps in her arms, she can't push back. She slides. Okay? Any questions? No?